crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel today. I just got this collection from Paper Wishes hot off the press, and this is the Christmas Floral Plaids Collection, and I just wanted to show it off to you because it might slip under your radar, but this is a gorgeous set for Christmas time and all those holiday cards. So there's 6 pieces in this collection. You can purchase them individually, or if you purchase them as a bundle, you will get a discount on that. First up is we have this cutting dies set, and it is actually a layering die set. So you have a few layers for the poinsettia, you have leaves, the Christmas rose, there's 3 layers there. You have a lot of holly, pine boughs, all that good stuff that you'd want to have on a holiday card. And then you have a 'Tis the Season word die over here. Next we have the chipboard pieces, and you get 13 in here. And again, you could layer these up, especially the poinsettias has a Peace and Joy. These are this is a very thin chipboard, so you could mail this with no problem. These punch right out, and you can color them with markers or ink or ink pads, anything that you want to do, and put that right on your project. Alright, next up we have the 6x6 patterned paper, and this is just gorgeous. I just wanted to show it to you. Look at these. I love how vintagey some of these papers look. You could do a great card with this. This plaid, look at the distressing, the florals, so beautiful. Be a great background. It's a fun plaid, and then you have the floral on the side. Look at this one. This one is so vintagey. And the blue, I think this might be my favorite one with the flowers. Oh, maybe this one. It's so pretty. And so here you have little tag cut up parts. Let me get my ruler. These are about 2 by 2 3/4. You could use these for tags or embellishments on your card. You can stamp right on there, and that great plot on the back. And then you have a cut apart sheet. There's a lot of little cute tags and messages in here. I love this: blessings from our house to yours, and snowy greetings. That's really sweet. And a birthday message, and then this plaid. Look at the color. I love that. Alright, next up we have the Christmas Floral Plaids die cut pack, and there's 31 in here. I'll show them to you. These just pop out, and these make card making very easy, which is what you want when you're doing your holiday cards, because usually you have to do a whole bunch of them, right? So if you punched all these out and use these as your sentiments on the front, and then you could decorate them, die cut some of the, the foliage and the pine boughs and the poinsettias, and if you did them out of like a red sparkle paper, that would be amazing. Paper Wishes sells, I think it's called red diamond paper, and it's kind of pearlescent, and that would be really gorgeous with that. So we have all of these, and we have a couple borders. And then again, we have a nice birthday message there. Have the best of birthdays for those December people that have to compete with the holidays. Alright, next we have the 12 by 12 papers, and seeing these designs blown up to 12 by 12 size really helps you appreciate the artwork. These are absolutely gorgeous. See how I had it stacked. We'll start on this side. Look at this. Like, this plaid is so great. And if you if you want to make cards out of these, just cut them. And then you would have a beautiful card front. Easy peasies, right? Or if you're a scrapbooker, you put your focal in the middle. Plaid. Look at this. So beautiful. Here's that blue one again. Oh, I love it. So pretty. This one's very vintage. Get that great floral on the side. This is a red and green plaid. And here are some large cut aparts. Let me see, I believe they're 4 by 6. 4 by 5.5 actually. So you could use these as your whole card front. And that would be very easy. And then you could die cut some of the pine and the poinsettias, add on, and just use one of the die cuts, and then you've got a whole card, easy peasies, all ready to go. That beautiful plaid. And then these are the cut aparts. Lots of good things on here, and these are just really easy to cut out. You could cut them out on a trimmer, or if you had an arch die. So that is the pattern paper. And then to go along perfectly with the pattern paper, we have the solids pack. So I'll show them to you. So you can use these, you know, cover your card base, use them as matting layer, background layer, whatever you're doing with your project. These coordinate perfectly with the pattern paper. I love this color. It's a great Christmas green, and then you get the lighter shade. Alright, so that is the collection. You have for the 12 by 12, you have the solids pack, and you have the pattern paper. Then you have the die cuts. You have the 6 by 6 paper, and lots of sheets in each of the packages. You have the chipboard pieces, and you have this fun cutting die set. So this is the new collection, the Christmas Floral Plaids by Paper Wishes and hot off the press. They do have another one that they just released for Christmas, and that is called Christmas Cardinals. So you could check that out too if you go and stop by and see this collection there. So I will list all of the products that I showed today in the description box. I do have affiliate links, and you can go check it out for yourself and look at this gorgeous collection. Alright, until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.